Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 32 from chapter 21 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. We have to apply the loop rule to the specified loop in the given circuit. Okay, so we're going to be starting at A, going to E, then D, C, B, and back to A. So in the top half of the circuit, we are going counterclockwise. All right, so all the currents are marked. Let's start by marking up the resistors. Where current enters, that's the positive end, or the high potential. Where the current leaves, that's the low end, or the low potential. And so I'm just going to go through and mark where current enters as positive and where current leaves as negative. Okay, we've got 3 resistors and 1 battery. So when we apply the loop rule, we will have 4 terms. Okay, so we will go through and find all the potential differences, add them up. When we get back to the start, we'll set that equal to 0. Okay, so we're starting at A, going towards E. We come across resistor capital R1. The last sign we see is the plus. And so we have a potential difference of I1 capital R1. We continue towards D, and we see internal resistor R1. Last sign we see is plus. So we have plus. This one is getting I2, and then little r1. The last terminal we see on the EMF is the short one. That's the -1. So we subtract EMF1. I'll write E1. We continue towards A. The last sign we see is the plus. And so we will have plus I2 R2. We get back to A, and that is equal to 0. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions or if there are any other problems you'd like to see me solve. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.